Hey, in this video, we're going to talk about this really powerful tool that you can start using today for absolutely free. It's called BirdSeed, and it's going to really put some superpowers on your website. So stay tuned for this one. Hey everybody, this is David with Tech Smart Boss here with another video, and today we're going to talk about BirdSeed. It is a all, as it says here, all-in-one website management, but essentially we talk about a lot of tools we use every day, from booking appointments to chatbots to live chat to you name it, searching knowledge bases. Well, what BirdSeed does, it gives you a little widget right here on your website and lets you tie all those together. For example, let's actually scroll down on their website and you'll see their 12 engagement tools: knowledge library, video showcase, link launcher, client testimonials, events timeline. I mean, you can just see the list here. Go check it out. So instead of having multiple tools that will do all these things for you, they give you one powerful client tool. Let's click here and take a look here, and you'll see that it gives every user a choice of the way that they want to communicate with your company, your product, your website, your brand. If they want to go right into looking at a webinar, you'll see here, there's the video with a playlist. Let's go backwards. If they want to actually search the knowledge base, they can, let's type in install, and well, that wasn't a good one, but let's type in WordPress. Well, I'm picking some really, oh, I'm in the category most common, but you can kind of see there's all sorts of things here on the knowledge base. If they want to send the sales team a message, you've got a form here. So pretty nice and complete. Let's go ahead and go through their onboarding and set up a brand new account and do what we do, which is take a look. Actually, before I even do that, I always like to show you pricing. Boom, look at that. It's free. Pretty cool. Now, the one thing you'll see, they have the plus, which gives you team members and removes that footer branding. See that little powered by Birdseed? That's pretty small. That's not a big problem at all. I don't have a problem with that. But you can kind of see you pay when you want to add a large team, but a small team, from that perspective. But if it's just one user, completely free. Can't beat that. Let's go ahead and create a free account from scratch. I'm going to go ahead and put in my TechSmartBoss.com email address and go through their onboarding. So it looks like it's going to send me a link. So what I'm going to do is pause this, go confirm my address, and then come back and finish their onboarding. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So I copied that link. Let's paste it in here, and there it is. All right, pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and put our name and Tech Smart Boss. Looks like, let's see if we can skip any of this. Skip the phone number and just go straight to the password. Let's see if it'll let me do that. It will. Up. Phone number is required. Okay, so I actually don't know my Tech Smart Boss phone number right now, so what I'll do is put that famous 555 1212 that you always see on the movies. Um, they reserve that, so movies have a fake number they can show. Oh, and now I give it a little stronger of a password. Be nice to have that instruction as I'm typing the password, but that's a little bit of things that they could do to smooth out the onboarding. Let's go ahead and see if that will take this time. All right, looks like I'm good. So now I'm in their onboarding, and the one thing yeah, I mean, you can actually do that in there free. I was thinking of another product where you can go through and set your own styling up. So let's actually do some of this. Let's show the panel. Okay, so this is giving me a preview of, see if I turn the pulsation off, that should update on that side. Let's say I want this on the right hand side of my site. Footer branding, I'll keep it on for now. I got my welcome text. Let's actually use more of a chat type icon. I got my links. Let's go ahead and save that. I can set my business hours. Oh, let's mark this complete. Okay, now it goes into my business hours. I'm just going to accept that and mark that as complete. Now, you'll notice that it gives me, let's see here, 5 engagement tools out of the box: live chat, contact form, call request, email capture, and a meeting schedule. Let's see if we add tools, that'll give us the other ones that we saw on that web page. So let's say, for example, we do want uh, to put in the video showcase. Why not? And if I were to Oops, it refreshed on me. Let's see if I want to go in and look at that. I can name it whatever I want. Let's call this welcome videos, just as something different. Visibility, you could set when you want them to show. That ties into those business hours that we talked about. So you could have live chat, for example, at a certain time. Let's go ahead and add a video. Let's see what happens when we add a video. I can create a video or I can embed a video. And if I can embed a video, I can embed a YouTube. Well, that's a great time to go out to my YouTube channel. Let's get one of my videos and let's add it in here. So be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get each of these videos each day. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this video right here. Let's grab that share link. All right, got that. And let's paste that right there and save changes. There it is. Hey, that's pretty easy. All right, let's save that. So now I've got that done. Let's go back. All right, let's edit some others. Meeting schedule. So again, I can control this, manage our event types. And you'll see that you can go in here and set up specific days of the week you're available to meet, specific hours, duration of your meeting, one appointment per time slot, which if you're using this just for one person, that's probably a good thing to do. Your form on what you want to collect, confirmation email, and you can sync it up with your Google Calendar. That's pretty straightforward. Let's go back and continue. All right, so I think we can kind of see, I won't go too much detail in here because I actually want to get this on my website. So let's go ahead and mark this complete and get to the installation section. So I'll mark that as complete. I think I got a couple click actions going on here. Let's try that one more time. All right, so we got that mark complete. There we go. And let's do the install. Now I'm using Firefox. This could be a Firefox thing. It's always advisable, I think, to use these tools in Google Chrome. But we'll come back on that. I'm going to go into panel settings and I think I can get that install code right there. There it is. All right. So I'm going to, let's see, it says just copy this code and place it on your website. That's pretty straightforward. What I'm going to do is copy this. I'm going to go and put it on my WordPress site. I'm not going to bore you with those details, but we're going to come back and see what the end result looks like. Stay tuned. All right, I'm back. I have added it to my website. Pretty simple, just copy and paste it just like it says. There it is. There's a little pulsating chat icon. Let's click it, and then you'll see all those items that we had set up. There's a showcase with the video that we let. So that is a pretty simple process to get started. Now let's take a little bit more time to go through some of the other features in here. We went through style your panel, set your hours, your install code. You'll see that you can set the reply to your email address. That's pretty standard. We actually saw the set up your meeting types. We didn't talk about testimonial capture, but there's a setting there for that. What I like is the proactive messages. Very important to kind of show users and engage users on your website to get them to take an action. And they give you the ability to do it by page and to do an image or a video as part of your proactive message. So that's pretty powerful. And you'll see visibility here. You can set if it's new visitors, repeat visitors. You can put a little logic into this as well as the timing of how long someone's on your page before you do that. If you did have that team, here's the manage user section. And let's see what's under here. I think this is where we were customizing all those engagement tools. So that is here. You'll see those are all pretty simple. You just click, expand, and customize. And if you did leverage those chat tools, you've got a nice conversation bin here. So pretty robust. I mean, I'm not necessarily that big on the all-in-one sort of tools, but I will say that this is one of the more complete all-in-one tools that I've actually seen. You'll notice that you can have multiple accounts linked together. And we didn't talk about it, but there's a pretty good integration that you have with Zapier. So, when you've got Zapier in here, you can tie all this stuff together. So as leads come in and fill out your email forms, chat with you, set up meetings, things like that, then you can use Zapier to tie all those things into your marketing, your CRM and all those sorts of things, and you'll see that the upgrade is right there as well. All right, I'm going to wrap this video up. If you like it, please leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And stay tuned. Every week we put out a new video. And check us out on Facebook. We're doing some fun stuff there. Just go to techsmartboss.com and you'll see all the other things that we do in addition to YouTube videos. Talk to you next time.